Ever felt that rising tide of stress or anxiety that seems to swallow your calm? It's a universal experience, isn't it? The racing heart, the restless mind, just a part of life, right? But what if I told you there's a way to manage it, to regain your calm and composure? A simple, effective technique that's been under our noses all along, just waiting to be discovered. Unleash your inner peace with a technique called box breathing. Enter the world of box breathing, a stress-busting secret weapon. Box breathing, also known as four-square breathing, is a simple technique used by everyone from athletes to Navy SEALs. Let's demystify this technique. Imagine a box, if you will. Each of its four sides represents a step in the breathing process: inhaling, holding your breath, exhaling, and holding your breath again. Each step should last for a count of 4. Start by emptying your lungs completely. Then, inhale deeply and slowly for a count of 4. Hold your breath, filling your lungs with oxygen for another count of 4. Now exhale fully and slowly, again for a count of 4. Finally, hold your breath with your lungs emptied for the last count of 4. The beauty of box breathing lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require any special equipment or location. You can do it anytime, anywhere, whether you're waiting at a traffic light or unwinding after a long day. Box breathing, an uncomplicated yet effective tool, can be your ally in the battle against stress. Let's delve into the key points about box breathing and its benefits. Box breathing is a simple yet potent 4-step process. Picture a box in your mind. Each side represents a step. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Each step is typically done for a count of 4, but it's flexible. You can adjust the count to suit your needs and comfort level. This technique is incredibly easy to use. It doesn't require any special equipment or location. You can do it while waiting for a bus, before a big presentation, or even while lying in bed. It's adaptable to different situations, making it a readily accessible tool in your mental health toolbox. Now, let's talk benefits. Box breathing can be a powerful ally in reducing stress and anxiety. It helps to slow down your mind, creating a sense of calm and peace. It's like hitting the pause button on your hectic life, even if it's just for a few minutes. Box breathing can also improve your focus. By concentrating on your breath, you're training your brain to focus on one thing at a time. You'll find that this can spill over into other areas of your life, helping you to be more present and attentive. And let's not forget better sleep. By calming your mind, box breathing can pave the way for a more restful night. Scientific studies back these benefits. Box breathing has been shown to improve heart rate variability and lower blood pressure, which are both key indicators of stress. So next time stress starts to creep in, remember the box. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, and reclaim your calm.